then your left shift, right shift, relational operator, and so on, ternary operator, followed by your assignment. So we'll see now which is
Ma'am, like BODMAS in mathematics.
Yes, exactly the same thing. You had left to right associativity and the precedence, right? The same logic it's applicable here. Yes. Yes, guys.
Ma'am?
Yes, it's audible. You can talk.
Ma'am, operator precedence page, you can please open it once again. I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, here in shift column row, there is 3 greater than sign. What's indicated?
Okay, I will discuss a sample example for that so that you'll be clear. We'll just finish this up and then go with it.
Okay, ma'am.
In this, please do remember the associativity can be either from left to right or right to left. So example they have given here, we'll just analyze this and then go to the next example. We have num1, num2 and num3 is equal to 39. So whether all 3 variables will be assigned to 39 itself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for the better understanding, we have just separated with a parenthesis specifying first the num3 will be assigned, then num2 and num1 and so on. So if you consider this 3 variable, all the variables will be assigned to 39. Since the equal operator has a right to left associativity, you have to perform the operation accordingly. Let's consider we have something, one more example. 84 divided by 4, that is within the first parenthesis, after which we have divided by 3. So obviously we'll be considering the inner parenthesis first. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We'll do the outer and then inner or then outer.
First inner, then
First inner, then outer.
and then outer.
Yeah, simple as that. We'll be performing the respective operation, whatever the value we get, that divided by 3. So you have to remember this table in order to implement that. Okay, what is the highest precedence we have? So which are the operators will be having the highest precedence? So one sample example they have given here, the innermost, that is 3 plus 1. Why does 3 plus 1 as a highest precedence? Can anyone justify it?
because of parenthesis.
Parenthesis. If it is not given within parenthesis, it is not the one we are going to choose. Since it is specified, we'll just perform that. 4 will be there. Then if you consider here, 4 into 9 divided by 4. We'll go back to the table. If you see here, divide, into and modulus have the same precedence, but the associativity starts from left to right. So if the same associativity operators are present, you are supposed to evaluate from left to right. 4 into 9 will be done first. 4 9s are 36. Then 36 divided by 4 will be operated. Is that clear? The second line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So same precedence, we have 2 competitors. At that time, you have to consider from left to right. So same operations will be done. 5 plus 0 divided by 6 minus 1, where we'll be having the divide is the highest precedence. We'll be doing that. Then plus and minus. If we go back here, so plus and minus, again the same rules applies and result will be 4. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Associativity.
Yes, ma'am.
Just remember this table,
Yeah.
you will be able to do that. You'll be able to implement it.
Ma'am, can I ask one quick question?
Yes.
Ma'am, is it any idea to remember this table?
You have to just go through it and just I don't have any shortcut ideas. You can ask one of your friends. Do anyone have any shortcut ideas, guys, to remember this?
Ma'am, as we have studied in school, the BODMAS rule, according to that, we can remember it. And just here, the change is that if we get the multiplication or division or percentage symbol in the same in the like beside each other, then we have to move from left. That's it.
Yeah, this is a basic math which you have already studied, I think, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bodmer's rule.
Yeah, it is something, one or two add-on you have, that's it. Once you get used to it, you will be fine. You will be on the flow, you'll be able to do it. Okay, and someone asked me like how to read the input. I just have something for them. Just use a scanner. Scanner is a class where using which you can read the input from the end user, and it is present in import java.util.scanner. Okay. Scanner, create an object. Since I haven't encountered creating an object, I didn't specify that. Since you guys asked, I'm just specifying. Scanner followed by a object, the new keyword within which I'll be specifying system.in. After which, if I want to read that next integer or a string or something like that, using that scanner object, sc dot operator is used for accessing the functions or the methods present within that. Next in, since I'm reading an integer, I'm accessing it. You have a number of methods here which we'll be exploring at the later phases. So whatever the input I read from here, that will be stored in a value, and I'm trying to print it. I'll just rerun this, enter the value. I'll just enter 33 and hit enter. User entered value is 33.
Ma'am,
Clear?
that ESC is just a reference variable, no?
Yes, that's it. It
And
can be
whatever,
anything.
yes, and whatever the value which will be entered by user, that will be stored in int val, na?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
And I'm just printing that.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that Java util scanner is modding or anything else?
Sorry,
Package.
Java util thing is nothing but it's a supporting. For example, in your C, printf and scanf has to work so that I'll give some imports. Yes,
Okay, ma'am, got it.
something
Yes.
like that. If a scanner has to work, it will be defined within your java.util.scanner.
Okay.
This is just, don't worry much about it. This is not there as of now. We haven't encountered it till now. Since you guys have asked, I have just specified it. Okay, nothing to much worry about reading the input from the user as of now. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I have one question.
yes.
How to change the workplace in Navigator or also Explorer, Package Explorer?
Okay, here, file, switch workplace. Okay, you can choose others and navigate accordingly. I have two workspace. I'll be accordingly navigating. You can just click on other. You'll get a dialog box. You can go to browse. You can create a new folder accordingly on a desktop or anything and just click on that folder so that you'll be navigating to.
Sometimes it's getting an update.
What update you're getting?
Already I was learning the Java language, so my Eclipse is not getting a proper workplace.
I'm not able to get your error, Lalit. Who's the one who's talking?
Ma'am, myself Shubham.
Okay. I didn't get it. Can you please come again?
Just a minute, ma'am. I share the screen.
Okay. Those are unable to submit the assignment, don't worry. Try after some time. Just keep a backup of whatever the program you have written. After that, you can copy paste and give it a submit.
Ma'am, where is the operator's assignments?
In the Lex,
Yes, ma'am.
unable to navigate it?
Yes, ma'am.
Share your screen then.
Ma'am, we just have to submit it, then it will be submitted, because a second time if we are accessing that, the whole data is removed.
Ma'am, this is only, ma'am. Only one example, ma'am. Exercise one only, ma'am. Where is
Yeah.
the
Which one you're trying to access?
operators examples, ma'am? Exercises, ma'am.
Okay, just a moment. Yeah, that's the only one even we have.
Huh?
That's the only one.
Only
And
one. Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry, everyone will be accessing the same resource, guys. It is the same thing. Whatever I'm referring, it will be the same thing if you have properly navigated to programming using Java. Unable to submit the assignment? Yeah, please try it. Any other issues?
Ma'am, we just have to submit it only by clicking on the submit button after completing the assignment.
Yes.
Ma'am, I
Because if we
submitted, but blue tick marks is not visible, ma'am.
Don't worry, guys. Once you have submitted, things will be taken care of. If it is properly done, I mean, if it is not reflecting anything or the output has been not shown, try after some time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
But successfully completed this exercise is note box, ma'am. Is coming.
You mean you're specifying that task is not completed successfully?
Yeah, completed, but the blue tick marks is not visible, ma'am.
Okay, for the exercise, just don't worry about it. Sometime you'll be facing that. It's okay.
Ma'am, could we submit it after the meeting?
Yeah, you can access Lexport at any time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now Sonali
Ma'am.
will take up the connect thing.
Yes, ma'am.
She'll be instructing everything, guys. Please be attentive and
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yes.
Ma'am, I have downloaded the Eclipse IDE from online, ma'am.
Hmm.
But by executing, it shows an error. There is no editor. What's the question? No editor.
Did you follow the same steps specified in the video which Anusha has shared?
Ma'am, I have one doubt regarding one output, ma'am.
Okay.
My screen, ma'am.
Ma'am, we haven't received any video regarding this.
No. A link regarding even I have posted in the morning, guys.
Can you please reshare that? No, ma'am, it's not received yet.
Yeah, at 5 o'clock, your batch owner will be addressing you guys. Even we are not aware of that. Me and Sonali, we are educators who we are just here to deliver the table of contents. Okay. Any queries you can please ask Anusha. So 5 o'clock, she'll be addressing you guys.
Ma'am, can you reshare the
Link?
for the?
Yeah, sure. I'll be sharing it.
No, ma'am. This is for Lex, ma'am.
Okay, you mean how to access the videos, those things you're asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
For Eclipse, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
I have to share my screen.
just a moment.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
Yes,
Can I share my screen, ma'am?
just a moment.
Okay.